Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add student in Teachable automatically using an Excel tool. Okay, I have created an Excel based solution for this. So I am going to show you a demo. I want everyone to watch the video till end so that you can understand how it is working. Okay, so now let's jump on to the Excel sheet. In the Excel sheet, I have two sheets. Okay, sheet 1 and variable sheet. Okay, so first we will go to variable sheet and let us understand what is variable sheet. So variable sheet is nothing but I have entered the data of the admin URL. Okay, so you are if you log in the admin access, there was a URL will come, that URL you have to put that, and username is your admin URL. So third thing is the password. So password you have to put the admin password. Okay, so I have hided this password with the color for the confidentiality. Okay, so fourth thing is a student URL. Okay, in the student URL you have to when you add a student, there was one URL will come, that you have to paste that. So fifth thing is wait time for OTP. Okay, for example, if you log in another device, the teachable will ask for the authentication. Okay, so it will come, it will give the authentication in the Gmail, so that you have to paste in that. Okay, so I given as 45 seconds for doing that activity, because I have to open the mail, I have to copy this. Okay, so for example, if you not done within a 45 minutes, this project will not run. Okay, this project will get stopped. Okay, so again you have to rename this project. So if you want to increase the time, you can increase. Okay, so if you increase to 60 seconds, okay, you can increase the 60 seconds. But I want everyone to open your registered Gmail account. Okay, before you run this, then only you can copy and paste this OTP immediately. Okay, so now next thing we will go to student data sheet. Okay, so I have a two data has been added. So you can add unlimited data, so it will be added a number of data what you have putting that. Okay, so now in the name column, what are the data you have collected from the payment, that you can give that, and email also you can give that. So okay, in the password section you can generate a new password. Okay, you can give the random password, which is should be a 6-digit character. The password should be 6-digit character. If you not put a password here, so then the email will be go to the registered user. For example, Smith, I did not give a password. The mail will be go to Smith and ask to validate this, ask to set the password. Okay, so I will show you in the end of this video so that you can understand that. So next thing is a course name. Okay, so for example, I have some 10 courses in my hub. Okay, so I for John has been opted only for Excel productivity tips course, so I put as Excel productivity tips. Smith is opted only for email marketing automation, so I have put for email marketing. Okay, so like that you can bifurcate. Okay, that also I have said that. And last thing is status. What is status? For example, if the student has been added, it will be showing the status as done. Okay, um, in the future, now we have a two students. Okay, in future you're going to add, for example, tomorrow you're going to add some three students. Okay, that time you this project will run only for the three students. It will not run for the first students, which is John and Smith. Okay, it will be run only for the last three students. So that only I have given a status. If the status is done, the project will not rerun again for the students. Okay, so that condition I have keep in that. So I have given all this thing. Okay, I have think and I have put all this thing and I have created this. Okay, so now let's run this project. Okay, so first I'll click on add students. Okay, I click this button, so it will be running. Okay, it will running in the background with a blue color processing bar. So now we will see that the Google Chrome has been automatically opened. Google Chrome browser has been automatic. And also one more thing, the Google browser is must for running this, and also the Excel should be installed in your system. Okay, so it should be a 2007 or 2010 or 2016, 19, anything. So see this, it is automatically login this admin URL by automatically. Okay, so once it's run, it is asking for the confirmation. That only I'm told no, this is OTP. Okay, so now I'll log in my mail ID. I will paste this OTP here. Okay, so I will paste this OTP here. I'll give confirm device. Okay, so I have given 45 seconds to validate the OTP. So this process alone will take some time. Okay, so it will go to the next screen. Okay, so now this process only having some taking some time. Wait for a moment. So if the process is happening in the left side below, that the processing bar will be showing. Okay, so okay, now it is again waiting for this my website. Okay, it automatically click the admin login. So once it click the admin login, it will now go to users. Okay, so it will now go to users. So I want everyone to watch this. This is a very great moment. Okay, a great moment is that. Okay, see this, it is automatically open this and not adding and password. Okay, so it's now validating again. So one student has been added. So now again it is go to students and add students. So it is refreshing the page. Okay, because one by one it will add more, so it will take some time. So now it is adding, going to add second student. See, Smith has been adding. So and also it is email marketing also has been selected. Okay, so now the project has been completed. Okay, so now it is closing this. Okay, so now I'll come to this sheet. Okay, so now I will open my mail. Okay, so I'll open my mail. In the mail it is showing us John just joined 24, Smith just joined 24. See the amazing. Okay, so without any automation. And also I told no that if you not set a password, it will asking for the password. So if you in the other mail ID, I have also opened that. If you give a confirm email ID, if you give confirm email ID, it will automatically asking for this data. Okay, your data. So it will ask automatically asking for the password and confirm password. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed this automation demo. If you want more details about that, click on the below. I have given all those details in the description. You can watch this. Hope this video will helpful for you to save a lot of time in adding a student in teachable. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.